Hi guys, today we're going to be changing the brake pads on the Ford Ranger. I think this one is called a T6. Yeah, I think code T6. But yeah, most of them are basically the same. The brakes we got, I think they were like 800, if not 700. Apparently this is not the best brand ever, but they were not the cheap ones, and they German heritage. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, you get this small like fish, but yeah, you get those to put them behind the brake pads, and yeah, these are the brake pads. But yeah, you know the drill, guys. Gonna take off the wheel. Yeah, that's the jack right there. Just gonna check this up, take out the wheel, and we're gonna get to it. All right. Well, jacking point is right there. Some usually do it there on the frame, but yeah, I don't think that's right here. Just where the mount is. Checking point. Now guys, before we start, just a quick list of the tools. I'll also put it in the description. We just needed a 13mm socket, a Bobbejaan, and also the compression tool. You can get a better one from Eidendorf that will fit most cars, even the one with 2 calipers. This one is more for one caliper. Brake cleaner, we forgot that. Copper grease, we had that. And yeah, that's about all the tools that we used. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Next is just to open the brake reservoir. We're playing some copyright music here, so yeah, that's why I have to do a voiceover, so that the pressure just comes out when you squeeze in the caliper. And yeah, after that we're good to go. Yeah, odd sizes, you're just gonna need a 13mm for this bolt and this one here. For this one, I don't know what size this is, but we're just gonna use a Bobbejaan advent. But yeah, that's what we're gonna use to hold this one. Well, it turns out you need the Bobbejaan. So yeah, the 13, the Bobbejaan's holding that. That's what I'm gonna do. My cameraman has been called by Mother Dearest, so I have to do this alone, so I can't be holding up the phone. You took some time to find the Bobbejaan.
The Bobbejaan did not want to be found.
No, he took time.
Be gentle.
Let's go underneath.
Man, the head is shining. Damn.
Wow.
Just putting it out there. Wait, so you're taking out the whole thing?
Not really. There we go. Alright, we're gonna find some. Oh, perfect. It can fit just right here.
If you're wondering about the tire, he's afraid of his life.
Yeah, I don't want to die.
Doesn't trust that black thing over there for some reason.
It's called a jack.
The black thing.
Jack.
The black thing, got it.
It's a jack, not a gym. Brake pads close to Skaputski, but they 8 years old now, so yeah.
They've been, what? They're 8 years old?
Yeah, 7, 8?
Damn.
This guy's been around, man.
Wait, so these things have not been changed since...
Yeah, since this guy's new.
And whose fault is that?
Oh, this one's cracking. Ah, no wonder they make noise.
They make,
Yeah.
They make noise?
The fact that you've not heard that they make noise concerns me. Yeah, those are out. All that's left is just to take out this metal bits and clean them up.
The metal bits.
Come out, metal bit. Yeah, this, and just clean it out with some brake cleaner, of which I hope is somewhere in here.
It doesn't have it.
I don't think I
It
have
doesn't
it.
have it, people.
I
Huzzah.
took it out.
He doesn't have it. He doesn't have it.
Alright guys, we don't have brake cleaner, so we're just gonna brush it.
Because someone forgot it.
Yeah, I forgot the brake cleaner.
And it was,
So
comes on me for forgetting stuff.
yeah, got the brake cleaner. We're just gonna brush it out because, well, We ain't got the brake cleaner.
Shouldn't you use fluids like water?
Just gonna press this in with this caliper, my jiggy thing that pulls back the.
Doesn't even know the name.
Yeah, it's a brake thing, man.
Caliber majiggy thing. You said caliber majiggy.
My jiggy thingy.
That it doesn't even know how it works. This is concerning,
I
guys.
know how it works, but the problem is that it's gonna push back one caliper.
Shouldn't you put the magic equilibrium, like put it equilibrium between both of them?
I hope when I push this one doesn't go forward. Because if it does,
those we. This we is concerning.
You are part of
This we. By the way,
it's not pushing it. Oh, it's because the oil is going up that side. So it's not going
science.
Up. Yeah.
Oh no, she said technology.
Technology.
Nice. This is why.
Yay.
Nice.
Going back. Let's move on to the next one. To the next one.
Apparently, I wanted to play music while doing this, but it's copywriting. Apparently. Apparently.
Oh, they're both going back.
Okay, this is some nice technology. Good.
Alright. Those are back. I don't even want to put my head down here because it doesn't feel safe.
You have the tire down there as well.
Alright guys, it's late at night now. We made an oopsie. The brake pads are not the same. Please check in the box. This one goes inside, like inside that other side. This one goes outside, goes here. As you can see, there's no brake pad here because we're changing it on the other side so that we can bring it here. We put the same ones on the same side. So if you're watching this, I'm putting this in the beginning. But yeah. Just gotta put this thing back here. Come on, get in place.
You have to put it in place.
Yes, needs to. Oh yeah, and that's like that. We're gonna do it to the second one as well. I don't know whether I'm supposed to put grease in the middle of this and this, but oh well. Why does the new brake come with brake dust?
Science.
Nope, I don't think that's how this works. Yeah, 2 in. Just gonna copper grease the ends that make contact with this steel or metal thing, and then we will be almost done.
This is my older brother, by the way. You would think he's my younger brother. He looks like me.
Should have worn gloves for this.
No, I think you should, like, we're literally in nature. Could have just used, like, the leaves. What? Use the leaves, man.
Alrighty. Yeah, this one's going that way. So we're putting it behind. Behind. Well, I hope this works.
Looks complicated.
I don't think so.
Looks.
Okay, it's not getting it on top. Ah, there. In. Copper grease again on the second one. What if this is like the same side? Oh, it's not.
It's kind of the same thing. It's the same
If
thing.
this brakes make a noise, it's you.
Yeah, I'm not the one holding it. I'm holding the phone. And I'm so glad lightning has not struck this beautiful phone of yours.
Why would lightning strike my phone?
Just saying, so that we can have the same level of phones. Because someone doesn't want to buy me a new phone.
I do not have the same level of phone as you.
Yes, we do. Take out the iPhone. Take out the iPhone thing. We got the same kind. It's the same thing. It dropped it. It broke it.
It's not broken.
It
nigga.
broke it.
Poverty. I see. Alright guys, the brake pads are in. Well, I put copper grease there as well, but yeah, it's fine. That's both of them. So now we're just gonna put this and screw it back, and just like that we'll be done, and then we'll be doing it on the other side as well.
Wait, what?
Yes. It's gonna put a little bit of copper grease on there. We don't need nothing screaming on nothing.
The fact that I didn't hear any of the sounds you're referring to.
The fact that it was already making sounds and you didn't hear them.
What sounds though? What sounds? Like screeching sounds or something?
Yes.
I might be deaf or
Ah,
something.
so yeah, when they say 2-pot brakes, this is what they mean by 2-pot. So yeah, 2 cylinders, 2 pots. That's what they mean. Get in.
I want to get in there.
Get in.
We are not English.
Get in.
We're not English, brother.
Get in.
Brother Bernard, we are not English.
Brother Bernard.
Brother Bernard.
Okay, seems I need to push them in a little bit more.
Power.
Where's that tool majigana thing, eh?
Banana. I think just push it back as far as you can, because
Thought I was being kind to it, but it doesn't want that.
it just blew out some smoke thing. Oh no,
That's
dust. It looks like smoke, so same thing.
Yeah, that's as far back as it goes.
Imagine it still doesn't get in.
You would be the problem, sir.
No, I'm just
You
a
would be the
spectator.
problem.
I'm just a spectator. Imagine this game. Imagine.
There.
Unfortunately, it got in.
Wow.
Unfortunately. There is some very nice counting going on out there.
Yeah. One is in.
It's kind of forcing it in from down there. But I can't get those angles.
Yeah. We good. Bobbejaan is back. Bobbejaan is back. Just like that. We're almost done. Just one more to go.
Just a reminder, if you are afraid of your life, put a wheel under the car. Yeah.
Talk spec.
Wait, what even is that?
Hmm?
What even is that? Thing?
What's the thing?
What is that? The things doing that sound.
The torque wrench? Well, it's not a torque wrench, it's a wrench, basically.
So it just holds down whatever you're tying down.
Yeah, basically.
So another thing you have to get red. So yeah. I think you should be writing these things down. Does it also do the tying?
Yeah.
Or the tightening? I guess it does.
Yep. Yay! We're done.
Huzzah.
Huzzah! So yeah, just repeat the same thing on the other side. And last but not least, when you're done, don't forget to close that. As you can see now, it's full because we had to push back the cylinders. So yes guys, catch you on the next one. Let's move on to the other side. I want my mommy.